Thank you, Madam Speaker. In 2012-2013, the then MEC of Economic Development, Gedani Mahlangu, included in her department's legislative programme the Gauteng Funeral Undertakers Bill and the Gauteng Funeral Industry Reform Regulations. An amount of over R3 million was wasted by this uncaring provincial government, as money was authorised by the Chief Financial Officer and Chairman of the Department of the Acquisition Committee towards drafting of the legislation, but it was never taken any further. As has been typical of this Gauteng government in preceding administrations, the legislation was not passed when Mahlangu was MEC of Economic Development, nor when she was MEC of Health, making the Gauteng government's commitment to the objectives of this legislation and the harm that could have been prevented questionable. Recently, a Tshwane family was severely traumatised, not only by the death of one of their children, but by being given the wrong body by the state mortuary for burial. The family was then notified of the error and had to relive the trauma of not only losing a child, but having to authorise the exhumation of the body to ascertain who they had actually mistakenly buried as their loved one. This is spine-chillingly horrific, but not uncommon. A DA government would ensure that legislative reform would be urgently implemented to prevent the mistaken identity of bodies through the appropriate regulation of both the funeral and the undertaking industries as a priority. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you very much.